one of the biggest change in the technology is working with AI technology. It doesn't matter how you want to use it, but at the moment we are trying to shorten the software development lifecycle or to optimize the development lifecycle with the implementation of agents for absolutely every task that we are doing. And this is where it is shifting our way of working. I'm in charge of 2 projects for the automotive sector in Munich. One is the web tool development, and the second one is the development of digital products. In the automotive sector, as you may know, China is having a lot of OEMs that are developing, for example, electrical vehicles way faster than we are, maybe with different features. So what we're trying to do mostly is to keep up with that. And this is the difficulty at the moment of the industry, to reach these markets and to be competitive in those markets. The biggest impact at the moment is, of course, the development of AI solutions throughout the entire software development lifecycle. This is where we see the most optimization potential, and this is where we are trying also to implement the best solutions for our OEMs at the moment. We already delivered some proof of concepts to the customer, and we are working on implementing them currently. So for me, the cockpit of the future will be there to elevate the user experience with more personalization, connectivity, and better multimodal interaction user to machine. At ALTEN, we are working on developing not just one solution per use case, but a full solution for your entire software development lifecycle.